hiding in a pack, funny. Alone you're all quiet, but toss a few cowards together and suddenly you're loud as hell, cute. You can't do a damn thing on your own, yeah, I know. Running your mouth in the dark, hoping somebody buys your bullshit. Working overtime just to drag my name through the dirt, pathetic. Oops, sorry, too fucking late. I've known the whole damn time. You're fucking adorable. Small, cheap, pitiful, and somehow even less entertaining than a straight-to DVD dumpster fire. You couldn't steal the spotlight if the script begged you to. Still, I'll smile, I'll be nice. Makes it so much sweeter watching you grin behind my back, thinking I'm too stupid to notice how laughing at you has become my favorite hobby. Way healthier than your pathetic addiction to talking shit. Go to hell. Down to hell. Tell me, will it ever hit you? The girl you thought you knew was just a mask, and you bought it every single time. You're fucking adorable, still tiny, still pathetic, still wasting oxygen. Not even a B-movie would cast your ass. You're barely qualified to be background noise. Still, I'll smile every damn day, because nothing beats watching clowns applaud their own performance while the audience already knows it's fake. So, whose life's the joke now? Karma doesn't sleep, it just waits. Hope you learn something, or maybe you're still too fucking